If you're broke, stop scrolling. If you're tired of being broke, stop scrolling. If you want to start a business, but it's too expensive or you think it's too expensive, stop scrolling. This video is for you. You caught me in step number 3 of what you need to do to start a high profit, 6-figure, multi-million dollar remote cleaning business. What does that mean? That means you can have a cleaning business and you're not doing any of the cleaning. That's what that means. So we've already done step number 1. We've already done step number 2. Now we're going to do step number 3, which are implementing your systems and building your tech stack for your business. Let's go. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have a booking system. For my remote cleaning business, I use Booking Koala. It's not the easiest to set up. You will need some assistance. If you're not super tech savvy, that's fine. Everyone isn't super tech savvy. But once you get it set up, it's an amazing system for your scheduling, your cleaners, and your clients. And you can build your website there, and you can do your marketing, and you can do your hire. It's everything you need for your cleaning business, okay? Another thing you want to do is get you some type of CRM service. You don't have to start with the CRM, but it is something that you want to start working toward. What is a CRM? It's your customer relationship management system. So it's things like Go High Level, HubSpot, Active Campaign. Those are systems that you can use. Salesforce, things you can use for your customer relationship management. The next thing you want to make sure you have is some type of payroll or some type of HR system. What I use for my cleaning business is Gusto. That is Gusto. It's an amazing company. I use it for all of my HR needs. Okay. It does direct deposit. It does onboarding. It does benefits. It keeps time. You can send out your W-2s, your W-4s, your 1099s, whatever you need for your business. Gusto is the way to go. I love the Gusto. I love it. Okay. Other systems that you want to have in place, some type of email marketing system. You can use ConvertKit. Active Campaign also has that service. Also MailChimp is what I use now. I love MailChimp since they've done all of the changes with it. So those are some good systems to use. You also want to have some type of accounting software. QuickBooks, Quicken, FreshBooks to keep track of your expenses, your income, and all of your accounts. Okay. So those are just some of the systems that you want to have in place. Your business phone system. I use OpenPhone for that. Those are just some of the systems you want to have in place for your business. So if you haven't caught step number 1 and step number 2, make sure you go back and catch those so we can get you caught up and you won't be broke anymore and personal finance won't be an issue. Keep following. Step number 4 is coming up next. Thank you. Bye-bye.